Hi everyone, this is Wayne. I got for you today a set of solar lights. Just got the 2-pack in. I'm going to put them in the driveway and one on the porch. Uh, they're not like a street light bright, but they're pretty bright. I can flash it on here. I haven't put it in the sun to charge it yet, but it comes on pretty bright. It'll light your way. It's dusk to dawn. It's solar powered. It's motion detector. Comes with a mounting bracket. So mount that on the wall, pole, whatever. Then this will slide down into it like so. And here's your mounting screws and anchors. So it's a pretty good setup. Looking forward to getting it up. It's a nice bright thing. Maybe I'll give you some nighttime pictures of it in a second review. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye now.